Hello investors, my name is Dehan. Welcome back to number one place for all your investing needs. So guys, I am back. I know I've been out for a few weeks, but it's time to make another video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the top 3 potential altcoins to buy right now. So what type of news has happened here in the past few weeks as crypto has been kind of trading sideways at the same area for the past few weeks. So first of all, today we have some big news. Powell says that taming inflation is absolutely essential and a 50 base point hike possible for May. So that means instead of doing the 0.25% raise, they're going to be doing a 50 base point raise, which is going to be, double what everybody was expecting. And this could be, a good thing, but a bad thing in the short term. People are going to start to panic, which we saw today. Crypto sold off. The stock market sold off. I mean, at one point, the NASDAQ, I believe, was up over 1.5%. And then we closed at around negative 2%, which was just insane. A big switcheroo there. And a lot of the stocks that were in the green at the open turned very, very red. And same thing happened in crypto. So if we take a look right now in the past 24 hours, the market is down. We're down about 2.92% right now. Bitcoin is down 2.55%. Volume is up huge at 36.7 billion. We have Ethereum. It's down about 2.6% at around 21.4 billion in volume. Bitcoin trading at 40,500. Ethereum at around that 3,000 area. We've been dancing around for a while. BNB, Binance Coin, is down about 2.7% at $409. We see all these other altcoins are down about 2 or 3%. Even 5% here on Polkadot, and many of these other ones are down even more. But we do have some green. Monero here and Tron are up about 5 and 7%. So there's some light at the end of the tunnel, obviously, and we're seeing everything get hammered down right now. But this could be a buying opportunity once again, as it has been many, many times in the past. So that's something that you have to go out there and look for. Now, obviously, if we take a look here at the crypto bubbles in the past 7 days, the market's all over the place. We're seeing some green, some red, and then some stuff in the middle. So some of the big winners here, we see Luna up about 13%. We see Steam up over 76%. We have Lisk, which is up about 34%. Trust Wallet token up about 12%. Monero, obviously, there here in the past week, 25%. Past month, 45%. And then many, many other big winners here and some big losers as well. So definitely something to take a look at. So before we get into this list, guys, go ahead and smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes on this video for the comeback. Also, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. And as always, leave a comment below. What do you think is going to happen with crypto in the upcoming month? So let's get into the countdown. First of all, on this list, number 1 is going to be Luna, also known as Terra. So this one is currently down about 2% here in the past 24 hours. Like I said, we saw a nice green day, and then things started to go sideways, and then downtrend down all the way down here to $90, currently at $92.27. In the past week, this one's up about 12%, making a nice little run there. In the past month, we're down about 2.5%. Past year, we're up 576%. So we're still away, far away from that all-time high that we saw in April here at $116. But that was a nice rally that we had here at the beginning of April with a little bit of a sell-off now and trying to come back up. But if we can break through that $100 area once again, could be a nice rally. So like we said, in the past year, it's up over 500%, which is a great gain, as last year it was trading at around $4 or $5 here at this same time. But if we look at this all-time chart, obviously last year, in December, it had this nice little rally with the sell-off here going into February, and then the rally happened once again here, over 100% gain happening. 32.4 billion market cap currently, 2.5 billion in volume, 18.6% higher than usual, and we see our all-time high at $119, like we said. So Luna right now with this nice little pullback, we've seen this many times before with Luna. We could see another pullback lower, and then a nice little breakthrough to new all-time highs. And at a 32.4 billion market cap, this one still is looking very juicy for me, and I believe that Luna could continue to soar in the years to come. So that's going to be our first altcoin. Our second altcoin is going to be VeChain, VET. This one is down almost 3%, trading at around 5 cents, almost 6 cents per coin. In the past week, this one's down 3%. Past month, we're actually up 13.5%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're down about 68%. But if we take a look at the 1-year, or actually all-time chart here since 2018, it's up about 300%. We saw a nice rally here in 2021 where it hit highs up here at one point in April at around 25 cents. Pulled back down to lows once again to these lows that had a kind of like a support level at around 6 cents. Went back up here towards the end of the year in November to 18 cents, and then pulled back down all the way back to where we were pretty much right there in July of 2021. And right now, we're looking to kind of make a support level here and then bounce off of it again, hopefully continue to go higher. But That's something we're going to have to watch very, very closely to see if we can break through, or if we're going to go back down and continue on lower if the market continues to pull back down and everything starts to, trend on downwards with Bitcoin and Ethereum. We see the market cap is at around 3.8 billion, volume at 306.3 million, which is about 19% higher than usual, and the all-time high is at around 28 cents. Now, if you're not familiar with VeChain, it is a cryptocurrency and smart contract platform focused on supply chain management. It allows manufacturers to add sensors such as RFID tags to their products that can be, record the data onto the VeChain blockchain. So VeChain is definitely an interesting coin, and we're going to be watching that altcoin season happen in the future once again. When we see an altcoin season in the future, this one could have a nice little rally. It has plenty of upside potential, over 300% plus upside potential to get back to those all-time high areas at around 3.8 billion market cap right now. We were trading at around a 15 billion market cap at all-time high, so plenty of potential for VeChain as well. And then last but not least, number 3 on this list is going to be Cardano, also known as ADA. This one down about 3% today, trading at 92 cents. Past week we're down 3%. Past month we're down 1%. And then on the 1-year chart, we're actually down about 7.5%. But that is because we had that massive rally in 2021 at around September, and then a pullback. But if we compare it to last year, or the year before, in 2020 here, in end of 2020, it was trading at 16 cents. Then we had that massive rally in 2021 to 231, pulled back down to $1, hit new highs here during the summer of 2021 at around $3. And then from that $3 range, we continue to go lower and lower. But actually here, pretty much we've been trading around this range since January. So for the past 3 or 4 months, we've been trading around this 90 cents area. So it's not that bad right now. 30.9 billion market cap. We see the volume is flat at around 906.6 million. And we see our typical hold time is 119 days. It is ranked the number 6 coin, so it's still in the top dogs up there. 70% buy activity, 30% sell activity on Cardano. And we're looking with this one with plenty of upside potential, over 200% upside potential to get back to those all-time high areas, which will bring it close to 100 billion market cap. And Cardano is definitely a coin that I believe in for long term. It is definitely in my top 5, I would say. Cardano is a blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol that validates transactions without high energy costs. Now, the development on Cardano uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and stability. So this one is definitely an interesting one since it's been hammered. I mean, in my opinion, it's been hammered since September time period. Continue to go down. Even here in November when we had a rally in Bitcoin and everything else, it continued to just go down lower and lower and lower. And right now we're hoping to find this kind of support level, bounce off of this in the future, and continue to push on higher and come back up to those levels that we were in the past. So Cardano is definitely an interesting one as well, guys. So those are going to be our 3 altcoins that we're going to be looking at. Now let's take a look at the rest of the market and see how everything is performing. First of all, Bitcoin down 2.5%. We were trading at 43,000 here on Thursday, and then everything kind of just went down the gutter all the way to under 40,000 at one point. Right now we're trading at 40.5. And, if we look at here in the past week, we're trading flat. Past month, we're down 4%. Past year, we're down about 21%. And as you can see here, pretty much since the beginning of the year, we've been trading in this range. But as you can see, the lows are getting lower and the highs are getting higher, which is definitely a positive sign for crypto, fanatics right there. But if we look at the all-time chart, obviously, these highs get higher, the lows get lower, and same pattern continues. So we could see this little kind of like a spring. This is getting a coil. The coils are very tight, and then boom, it could explode on higher, but it also could go down lower. But it would be very nice if it continued to go higher and higher and break through those all-time high areas in the future once again. 771.5 billion market cap, 33% of crypto market space. Volume is at 36.7 billion, like we said, which is around 29% higher than usual. 114 day typical hold time, 71% buy and 29% sell activity. Now we have Ethereum down about 3% as well, hitting highs at one point close to 3,200 on Thursday. In the past week, we're flat. Past month, we're flat. And then on the 1-year chart, we're actually up 25%, outperforming Bitcoin. But once again, pretty much since January, we've been trading in the same, pattern, same wedge right here, stuck between these areas between 2,400 and then the 3,000, 3,200 area. Back and forth, we continue to see. In April here, in the beginning of April, things looked a little bit, nice here. Everybody was getting a little bit of hope. And then boom, we come back down once again. So we're going to be watching very closely to see what turns out in the next 6 or 7 months here, the rest of the year. So 362.1 billion market cap, 16% of the crypto market space. Volume is here up 37% higher than usual. And as you can see, volume is picking up, which is a positive sign. 86-day typical hold time, 65% buy activity, 35% sell activity currently on Ethereum. So Could this be, the beginning of another downtrend, or could we see a little bit of a consolidation and then an uptrend at the end of April? We're going to be watching very, very closely, guys. Now, the rest of the market, like we said already, Dogecoin down about 3%, so the meme coins are down, trading around that 14 cents area. Dogecoin seems to be trading around that level forever and ever. So you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions in the comments below. As always, if you enjoyed this type of content, smash that like button for me. Let's aim for 50 plus likes like we said. As always, subscribe to the channel, turn on that bell notifications to get notified every time I make a new video. I am not a financial advisor, so none of this is financial advice. This is all for entertainment purposes only. So before investing, speak to your financial advisor, do your own due diligence to make sure you understand what you're getting into. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.